Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today I want to introduce you to the Ooni Fyra portable wood-fired oven. Now the Ooni Fyra is a wood-fired oven that uses pellets, wood pellets, as its fuel. And many of you may have seen our Ooni 3 product review from years ago. That was a great oven, but since then Ooni has updated the model and it's got some pretty exciting changes. So let's take a look at the updates and then we'll show you how this thing cooks. The most noticeable update is the finish on the exterior of the oven. The now powder-coated finish is designed to last with a finish that will not weather or patina as the stainless steel finish has in the past. The new Ooni Fyra weighs in at just 23 pounds, and the two-piece stack, pellet hopper, and flame keeper fit inside or strap on top of the carry case for maximum portability. Increased insulation around the oven, as well as a re-engineered burner, allows for much more efficient fire, saving you time and money. You'll spend less time refilling the hopper and more time cooking pizza. The smokestack now twists and locks into place, eliminating the need for the clip in the previous model. The stack has a damper to make small temperature changes inside the oven. The chimney cap also doubles as a scoop for your pellets. The flame keeper and fire pot is integrated into the interior of the oven, though easily removable for getting the fire started. This places the fire right next to the pizza for that intense high heat cooking that can finish off a pizza in about 1 minute. The Ooni Fyra reaches temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius, and the flame shield near the stack directs that heat over the top of the pizza for even cooking top and bottom. The Ooni Fyra is easily ignited by filling the burn pot with pellets, lighting a starter cube on top, and sliding the flame keeper into place. Give the pellets a few minutes to ignite, then fill the hopper. The oven's ready to cook in 10 to 15 minutes. The insulated door has a view hole that allows you to see what's going on inside. And one small touch that I'm particularly excited about is the door hang slot. No need to worry about where you're gonna set that lid while you're turning pizzas, just hang it right below the opening. So now that we've seen the setup, let's see how it cooks. Well, our oven's been preheating for about 15-20 minutes now. We're gonna slide in our pizza right there in front of the fire, and we'll set a timer to see just how long this takes. So typically give this about 20-25 seconds before we do our first spin. Already starting to get some color on that side, so we're gonna give it a quarter spin and put the door back on. Now we'll check on it every 10 or 15 seconds. All right, we're at that 60-second mark. Take a look, looking pretty good. We'll go about 5 seconds more. And just to finish this off, we're starting to get some nice bubbling on top. Let's hold that up to the top, get a little bit more color. Yep, we're gonna call that good. So bottom, fully done. Top's looking nice. That's your 60-second Ooni pie. Looking good. Tastes even better. Man, that's a quick way to get a tasty bite. So I spent a good amount of time with this oven now, and what I've found in my personal experience is that even after cooking on this thing for a couple hours straight, I mean, I'm talking like a dozen pizzas in a row, it's about a 5-minute recovery time. So from the time it takes you to pull one out to build another one, get it back in there, the oven's ready to roll. But probably the thing that I'm most excited about with this new Ooni Fyra is just that even after 2 to 3 hours of cooking on it, the airflow holds constant. So you can continue to cook those 60 to 90 second pizzas hours in. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out the link down in the video description that'll take you to our online store and connect you with our team if you have any questions about the Ooni Fyra or any of the other products that you see featured on our channel. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.